Hello, my name is Linh and today I will present about the OV Water. The OV Water is a social enterprise founded in Vietnam in 2019. It's a group of friend organization. OV Water mission is to provide sustainable access to clean water for vulnerable community. The company support the key United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, especially SDGs, clean water and sanitation. In Vietnam, there is an ongoing concern about the water crisis, especially vulnerable families. This issue directly affects public health and the quality of life for many people. All we create to tackle this challenge. The vision is to become a leading provider of safe drinking water for vulnerable households in Ho Chi Minh City and surrounding area. By 2030, their goal is to reach a half of vulnerable families in Vietnam, impacting around 7 million people. And today, OV has made impressive progress. For example, their service reach around 15 million customers on the daily basis. Here you can see the OV business model canvas, which outline how the company create and deliver values. Based on this model, I identify 9 stakeholders that influence OV operation. These stakeholders can be grouped into 2 categories, internal and external. Next problem is analyzing OV. Traditional business focuses on making money, while social enterprise needs to balance between ensuring financial sustainability and achieve social impact at the same time. In particular, all we need to ensure is financial sustainability of our daily operation and grow wide at the same time. Achieve this goal of providing clean and affordable water to vulnerable households. There are 3 main categories of barrier to grow on of the social enterprise: value-based, business model related, and institutional. Our OV company is facing 2 barrier: value-based and institutional. First, the barrier to grow of OV value-based. David states that the difference in ethical values and commitment between social enterprise and their external stakeholders, especially distributor, retailer, and reseller, is a critical obstacle to growth of the enterprise. OV distributors are having different values and principles from OV social mission. And using the stakeholder mapping metric is particularly influence rate to identify which type of stakeholder and distributor are. The distributor are consistent objector with high influence but low interest. OV currently rely on most retailer or reseller to sell its product to vulnerable households. However, those retailers prioritize high profit brand over the OV water, especially when the market dominated by other low quality water brand. Therefore, OV high depending on retailer who sell their product, but retailers tend to prefer more profitable brand rather than OV. Here is a sample of retailer named Kiều who grocery shop owner. She described that her shop customer mostly original working class with limited income, and she believed that cheap job has more demand. In order to make the profit, retailer need to meet the demand of customer in the area. Take example, Miss Kiều side, the retailer who target vulnerable households tend to offer more brand cheaper than OV. The second barrier to grow OV is institutional. The enterprise having limited awareness from its customer. David suggests that company need to either create strategy that make the customer aware and make them want to buy all in one go, or find a way to make the potential customer to through all the steps directly to from being aware to actually buy very quickly. And we use the stakeholder mapping metric in particularly power interest rate to identify which type of customer OV water are the customer have inside the context script, which represent high power but low in stress. Second, weak. All weak customers have significantly influenced their purchase power, in fact, the company future development. However, because of lack of awareness regarding OV product offering its social mission, customers have a limited interest in the enterprise. Here are two examples of vulnerable customers of OV enterprise. Miss Nương mentioned that people around her use cheap water product or tap water only, and Miss Ha told he recognized that there are many fake purified water product currently in the market. Therefore, if the vulnerable household don't use tap water, they would prefer cheap product because the quality one are fake anyways. Because of this lack awareness, social enterprise, especially, always have top choice when trying their product or service. And to conclude, always water is social enterprise that focus on providing clean and affordable drinking water to vulnerable households in the South Vietnam. The key stakeholders involved OV problem analysis are distributor, retailer or reseller, and the vulnerable community. Distributor and retailer prioritize their water brand due to customer demand and make more profit for them. And vulnerable customers face financial concentrate and lack of trust regarding purified water. This creates a value-based institutional barrier and that slow down and help OV to grow in the future. Therefore, solutions are critical need to overcome this challenge when OV still want to expand the business. Thank you for listening.